guys, welcome to my channel. So today I created this look which is inspired by Ariana Grande's newest music video, Positions, and that song is beautiful. We all know that. All of her music is very good. So I decided to create this look inspired by her and the makeup that she was wearing, and even a little bit the outfit, you know. I have this jacket and I am in love with it currently, so I was like, it matches perfect. But I think it came out really good, and if you want to learn how I got it, then please keep watching. So I have my foundation on. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and contour. I'm going to contour my face to look a little bit more like Miss Ariana Grande. My face looks nothing like her, so I'm just going to do my best. And also this hair will be fixed. This is not the completed look, I promise you guys. So I'm going to go in with my NARS bronzer, and I'm just going to go ahead and go in. I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm not going to explain it. So I'm just going to contour. Okay, so my face is now contoured. I just did a little something here and there. I'm gonna just get that forehead some more. She likes the bronze a lot, so. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the eyes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Dose of Colors Desi X Katy palette. I'm gonna take the shade Necessary, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna start creating a little bit of like a 1970s type of crease where it's like in a cut crease shape like this, then you bring it out, so like that. So I don't even know how to explain it, just like the shape of what a cut crease would be, but we're not doing a cut crease. So just like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye. I have like not a lot of makeup brushes because all of my brushes are stained from Halloween, like all the Halloween looks I did. So I'm gonna have to wash everything. Okay, and then I'm gonna take that same shade, and I'm not going to do it on my lower lash line. I'm gonna do it a little bit below. So right here, just as like a little indentation to make my eyes look a little bit rounder. And then I'm going to go in with a smaller little brush and add a bit of the shade. This one is Churro, this shade right here. Actually no, I'm going to go in with that NARS bronzer and go over what we just did there, just to darken it up a bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Basic and fill in that whole lid space. Okay. And now I'm going to take a little bit of that same shade and just put it on my lower lash line in between the dark shade that we did in our lashes, but just in the center area to again create that rounder eye shape. Okay, I'm going to go find a shade that's a bit lighter than this, and we're going to pack that on top of that lighter shade, and then we're going to go in with eyeliner, and we're basically almost done. Okay, so I'm going in with my Modern Renaissance palette, and I have the shade Tempura? It's not Tempura. I don't know what it is. And that's a bit lighter, so I'm just going to go over that shade, and then we'll blend the edges. Just packing it on for now. And again, I'm going to pack it on. I might leave it on like kind of like a little bit of a bake for a little. Let's see. And I'm sorry if you hear any noises. Both of my parents are in meetings right now, like Zoom calls. There's a lot of competing noises in my house. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it like that to set a little, and I'm going to bring that shade underneath the eye like we did with the last one. Just like that. And now, while I'm gonna let that shade sit before I like kind of wipe it off, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. Now her eyebrows are much smaller than mine and much farther apart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try not to fill in the inside of my eyebrows too much, even though I feel like I look crazy if I don't do that. I'm just going to kind of box out my eyebrows just a tad bit. But I'm going to almost stop them. I'm like super far away. I'm going to almost stop them. So like this is where my eyebrow starts. I'm going to kind of like bring a line up right here. And that's where I'm going to start filling it in. And again, ignore. We're letting our eyeshadow bake. I'm just going to fill in from here and back. And I'm going to try not to emphasize any arch in my eyebrow because her eyebrows are super straight. They're like little like blocks. So I'm going to kind of drag out the eyebrow and almost bring it up a little. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to literally take a brush and like dab the eye area. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and do eyeliner. Ariana Grande always has liquid eyeliner. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And I'm going to follow that same little shape that we did. I'm going to stop while I'm ahead with the eyeliner. And I'm going to go ahead and I actually kind of want to go over that darker shade with an even darker shade. I'm going to go in with the shade Churro. And I'm just going to pack a little bit of that Churro shade just into that crease and connect it out like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend that, of course. Okay, and then with the shade, this one right here, which is Jeans, this dark shade right here, I'm going to go in with a little tiny brush. And I'm going to line my lash line, just kind of dab it around. Just like that. And now I'm going to go ahead and put on just a pair of lashes and some mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, so lashes are on, and as you can see, that made literally the world of a difference. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with some blush. I'm going to use this, what is this? BH Cosmetics Honolulu Blush. It's from like their little flower collection. And I'm only taking a small amount, and I'm just going to add it up along the cheeks like this. Okay, and now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to go in with that bronzer again and kind of like make my chin and my jawline look a little bit smaller. Just a smaller jawline. And I get that forehead smaller too. Now the last step before I fix this horrible looking hair is to go ahead and do lips. I was like, what is there left to do? It's lips. Lips are left to do. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a nude lip liner and nude lipstick, and we're going to do the lips. So for lips, again, I already kind of contoured it so they look a little bit more full because she has some big lips. I'm going to go ahead and look at the photo of her. It's kind of like a peachy nude. Yeah, like a peachy pinky nude. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my favorite lip liner, the MAC Strip Down, just to kind of guide out a shape. And then we're going to go in with like colors. But first, I have chapstick on. I'm going to remove that chapstick. And I'm going to go ahead and overline my lip. Okay, so that is the general shape of the lips. And now I'm going to go ahead and take this NYX lip liner in Nude Suede Shoes. And I'm going to kind of just like add that all over. And blend it into the other lip liner. Okay, And now the two liquid lipsticks that we're going to be using is this Victoria's Secret, actually, Velvet Matte lip thing in, I don't think there's a shade. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit of this. Okay. And now I'm going to take this Revlon, no, this is L'Oreal Paris lip thing and Empower lip thing. It's a liquid lipstick. And this is more of a peachy shade. So I'm just going to wait for that to dry, touch up the edges with the MAC lip liner, and finish my hair because I have like baby hairs coming out like this. And I don't even know. Like, how does she keep her hair like... Okay, well, that worked. I'll be back with the completed look. Alrighty guys, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video.